What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a product price in Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website of Stripe. Click on this website. After clicking, you will be welcomed to this page of Stripe. So if you are new to Stripe, on the right side, you will see the option of sign in. Just sign in with your email and password. But if you already have logged in previously on Stripe, you will see the option of dashboard. Just simply click on it, and then you will be redirected to the dashboard of Stripe. Now, after coming to the dashboard on the left side, you can see the option of product catalog. Just simply give it a click. And after going to product catalog from here, you can manage all your products that you have listed here on Stripe. So let's say, for example, if you want to change the price of a product, just hover to that product and then on the right side, you will see the three dots button. Just click on that three dots and then a pop-up window will open with all the product details. Just scroll down a bit and then after that, you will see the option of change price. Just change the price of the product and then you will be able to change the product price in Stripe. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for watching.